Hi you guys, welcome back to another one. Guys, I really do hope that you're gonna enjoy the video, so let's get into it. Guys, I had an amazing opportunity. I had a free weekend and I was able to attend this amazing event where, people were getting baptized. Okay, guys, currently we are setting up. So this is everybody that you see in the video or the stand. Everybody is from one church, and it's from one church, and basically it's an annual event that happens each year, and they do baptism, and so you're gonna see a bit of everything, but all we're doing now is setting up. Well, I'm not, because I'm clearly walking around, but yeah guys, it's such a beautiful, peaceful event, and this was at Littlehampton. Okay, location is Littlehampton. I believe they change location each year, but if you ever get the opportunity to ever attend one of these events, if you are a Christian, it's worth it. If you've never been baptized or you want to get rebaptized, it's definitely worth it. It's such an inspiration, it's so motivational, and it's just one with God. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel and you've never subscribed, make sure that you click on that subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever been baptized or that is something that you are looking to do. And for those who are returning, guys, I love and I appreciate your full support. Okay, drop me a comment, and this is something that you would attend or you never attended, but it's something that you would like to do in the future. All we are literally doing is setting up, because there's food, and what happens is you coming in the morning, you set up, there's barbecues, there's food available throughout the day, there's games all day long. People connect with fellow Christians, you connect with different members of the different churches, branches. You just exchange numbers, and guys, it's another opportunity if you are single and you want to meet your Christian match. I'm just saying one of these events, but yes, it's an amazing opportunity. And over the water, on the beach, that's where the baptism takes place. And at the end, there's prayers throughout the day, there's worship throughout the day, and there's just so much peace, love and happiness throughout the day. And the weather is great, it's good to be outside. Unfortunately, we had so much wind, but we didn't let the weather get us down, guys. I really do hope that you do enjoy the video, and if you have not done so, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you are returning, I love and appreciate you guys so much. Right guys, enjoy the rest of the video.